So I'll just erase this once more and I'll write.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our first step is define company. So command will this is the path SPRO
Preference IMG.
tab reference IMG. Then we need to click enterprise structure.
Yeah.
Enterprise structure.
Then
Then
definition.
very good definition. Then financial accounting. Okay. Then
Yep.
define company. Okay.
Okay.
Now T code will be like this OX15. Okay.
Okay. OX15.
OX15. So this is our first step. Step number 1. Now I'll close this. Okay. SPRO, press enter. It will come here. SAP reference IMG. Always click on this node, this branch.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Suppose if you mistakenly open this document, this is the help actually. In case if you open this, you can close it.
Okay.
You see, it is giving you an explanation about enterprise structure. What is enterprise? A big note. If you want to study, you just go through all this.
Okay, sir.
So you can click on this branch, this node, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Then click on this clock, define company. Now we'll make a company by name Nadir. Okay. So click new entries. Definition means new entries. Now,
New entries. Yeah.
okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your company short name can be of 6 characters. It can be numeric. It can be alphanumeric. But what I'm going to do is, I'll just make it like this: NADR.
Yeah.
Nadir. Okay, this is a short form.
Yeah.
Okay. Nadir group of companies. See, it is better, you keep it 4 or less than 4.
Okay.
The reason is we will make in the next step we will make this company code. We have to define company code in the next step, and that will not take more than 4 characters. So for that purpose, what I am doing is I am taking only 4 alphabets, NADR. Okay, 4 or less than 4 you can take. So street, let's say Rashidia. PO box, any 6 digits. So let's say like this. City, Dubai. Country, AE. Language, see there is a drop down. For language it is EN. English EN. If you click here, you can select EN. You can say type Control F, or you can click this binoculars, and what you could do is you can type English. See, it has come on top. But if you know these things, you can directly type. Like currency will be AED. No need to click this drop down button if you know the things.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, in Excel, how do we save in Excel? What is the shortcut? Control S. So same way here also in SAP, if I press Control S, it will get saved. I can press this button, save button, or Control S.
Yeah.
Now, okay, I did not give you a chance to write that, right? You want to write all that? See, it's very important. Okay,
yes,
I'll give you a chance to write that. Now the thing is, after define company, you leave some space for entering those details. After that, you write press save.
Press save.
Okay, after you write press save, draw a box like this, and you write prompt for customizing request on top of it. Same like this. Yes, Nadir?
Yep.
See, this own request, if I click, you don't have to click, I'm just telling you.
Yes,
See,
sir.
these are the companies. In these companies, Nadir is there, it is not there.
Yeah, yeah.
See, Nadir
Yes,
is
sir.
not there. So, what I mean to say is, you draw this create request. You draw one button like this
Create request.
and write, yep, draw an arrow and write create request. So you click this button.
Yep.
After you click this button, short description. Here you can give the complete name, Nadir Group of Companies or Nadir. I will write, I have written Nadir Group, na, underscore NADR I will write.
Okay.
Let me put it in brackets, NADR. So this is a short name, Nadir Group, NADR.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Short description should be like this. See, request is auto-generated. This number is auto-generated. So it is logged by SAP. It is in blue color. You don't have to do anything. Just click this create request. Short description is equal to Nadir Group and press enter or the save button.
Okay.
Now it is Nadir Group. So whenever, see, next time you don't have to click this button. From now onwards, you don't have to click. You don't have to always click this button. Just leave this button now. You always have to click this button in case if it is required.
Okay.
Suppose if you get this screen and suppose there is something like Bata Group. If it is something like this, you just click on request and select your company and save this request, save this data in this request. Okay, now you can note down all of these. Company short name, company is equal to NADR, company name, Nadir Group of Companies, street, Rashidia, all these things you please note down so that you can do the same in your laptop. See, you will get a message like this, data was saved.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm done.
Okay. Now, click this back button. Okay, back button.
Yeah.
Suppose in case if you want to check whether this company is there, not there, or in future if you want to check, you can come to this step. With the help of this position button, you can trace it. You can easily trace it. Click position button and write NADR. Suppose if you don't remember the company short name, you can click on this and type NAD or NADR and press enter. Once more. Let's say Nadir, full name. See, you'll get it
Yeah.
like press enter and double click on this. You'll get the settings. Okay. So this is our first step. Now our next step will be define company code. See, in SAP, company code both are different. Okay. I'll give an example. You take an example of Alfutem. Alfutem is a very big conglomerate. It is into multiple diversified businesses. Okay. It is into different lines of businesses. So company can be Alfutem Group. Okay. And under Alfutem, there are so many companies, right?
Yeah.
So Al-Futtaim, let's say furniture company. For that, we'll make a company code. We'll create a different company code. Okay. For Al-Futtaim toys company, another company code. So likewise, for multiple companies which are coming under Al-Futtaim group, we can make different company codes. So group company is nothing but group. Now in your case, here the company is only one, Nadir. Okay, so company group name also Nadir, company code also Nadir,
Yeah.
but both are different. Company and company code both are different. What is important in SAP is company code, not the company. If you don't do this step number 1, nothing will happen. But step number 2, company code is very much important. Okay, define company is optional. You do it or you don't do it, nothing will happen. But company code is very important because whatever you make in SAP, you will assign it to the company.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yeah.
Now, for this is the step: edit, comma, copy, comma, delete, check company code. So just write down step number 2: define company code.
Company code. Yeah. Yes, sir. I already
Okay,
wrote that. Yeah.
perfect. Now click on this. Path is same as in the previous step 1, right? So just write down, click on edit, comma, copy, comma, delete, check company code. What you will write in this? After you write define company code, you write click on edit, comma, copy, comma, delete, comma, check company code.
Check company code.
Again, after this, double click on edit company code data. Please write down, double click on edit company code data.
Company code data. Yep.
Double click on what? Edit company code data. So I'll just double click. Okay. Company code, company name. All these are logged by SAP. They are in blue color. Click new entries. Okay. Now, a company short name NADR I have given, right? So here also company code, for company code also I'll mention it like this, NADR. See, if you give different values here, company different, company code different, chances are you may forget.
Confusing.
So, and yeah, it may confuse you. So whatever you make, in every description you give this NADR so that you can easily trace it through this NADR. So company code is also NADR. Company name is Nadir Group. Nadir Group of companies or Nadir Group underscore NADR. City Dubai, country AE, currency AED, language EA. Please write down.
Yes.
Done?
Yep.
Okay. Press save. When you press save, you will get a pop-up like this.
Yeah.
Press save. Title is equal to company. Name Nadir Group. And this country is important, AE.
Yep.
You may not get this AE here. I did some settings, that's why I'm getting AE here. So you please write down title, company, name Nadir Group. country AE.
Okay.
Okay, press enter or tick mark, this one. So now no need to click on request or change anything because already this name is there. So just click on enter or tick mark.
Okay.
Our step number 2 is also over. Data was saved. Now go back, again go back. You can click close this. You can also press escape to close that. Now see, we have company code. Now we'll have to link this company and company code together. So for that, I'll close definition. I'll open assignment. Then
Okay.
financial accounting. Now you see step number 3. You write down assign company code to company. First, you write down assign company code to company. This is the step number 3.
Okay.
Now the path is, I will once again explain you the path. Until enterprise structure, path is the same,
Yeah.
right? So after that, what I did, I closed this definition and I opened assignment.
And
In assignment, financial accounting I opened. So I'll show you once more.
yeah.
See, double click on this SPRO, SAP reference IMG. After this enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, then assign company code to company. So write down this path.
Yes, sir. Done.
Then
Yeah.
click on this assign company code to company. Assignment means position button. Okay, when you come here, click on position button. Write down, click on position button. Then you write company code is equal to NADR. Press enter or tick mark. Click position button, company code is equal to NADR, press enter or tick mark. It will trace this NADR. So company code, company name, city, these are in blue color, all logged by SAP.
Okay.
So what you have to assign here? Company. So what is the short name? NADR. Enter NADR in the company column. Okay, against this company code NADR. Just write down this thing and press save. Again, enter. Press save and enter. Okay, these are the first 3 steps. Company code, and the
Assigning company code to company.
Okay, I'll just put this recording on stop. I'll just stop this.